Hello and welcome everybody. In this tutorial I will show you how to use this course. As you saw in the previous tutorial or in the promotional tutorial that I will teach you how to solve any regular or standard Rubik's Cube. But first off we have to know the difference between the regular and the irregular Rubik's Cube. So as you see here I have many Rubik's Cube. So in order to have a regular Rubik's Cube we must have three conditions satisfied. The first one, that it has a cubic shape, so it is a cube just like this or just like this, because there are some Rubik's Cube as for example this one, the X cube, that it is not it doesn't have a cubic shape as you see, or for example this one, or the Mega Mix or the Pyramix, all they doesn't have a cubic shape, and this cojoin 3x3 also doesn't have a cubic shape. So this is the first condition, to have a cubic shape just like this. The second condition is that it will not lose its cubic shape while scrambling. So for example, if we try to scramble this Rubik's Cube, it will be a cube, it will not lose its cubic shape, because there are some Rubik's Cube, for example just like this, it has a cubic shape, but if we start scrambling it just like this, as you see, it will lose its cubic shape. So this is the second condition, that it will not lose its cubic shape, because this one also it will lose its cubic shape, the YJ axis cube, while scrambling. So the third one is that its pieces are normally distributed. So for example we have here 1 2 3 pieces, and this is the width and the height, 1 2 3 pieces also. So because there are some Rubik's Cube here that aren't normally distributed, we have 1 2 3 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This Rubik's Cube actually is a cubic shape, and it will not lose its cubic shape while scrambling whatever we do, but its pieces are not normally distributed across its surface, so this is not considered as a regular Rubik's Cube. So in our course we will focus mainly on this Rubik's Cube, on this collection, starting from the 2x2, 3x3 till the 7x7x7 Rubik's Cube. I will teach you how to solve all of them, and I will teach you also how to solve the 2x2 and the 3x3 blindfolded. The course consists mainly of 10 sections, starting by the 3x3x3 Rubik's Cube with the beginner method, then the advanced method, which is the method that champions are using. So then the blindfolded method, and then following it the 3x3x3 with the same three methods, beginner, then advanced, then blindfolded. Then starting from the 4x4x4, 5x5, 6x6 till the 7x7x7 Rubik's Cube. Actually, if you learn how to solve the 4x4 and the 5x5, so you are ready to solve any regular Rubik's Cube, 7x7, 8x8, whatever, till even 30x30x30, they are the same. But to make sure that you get it, that you get the best explanation, I make tutorials for these two big Rubik's Cube. So in the beginning of every section you might find a PDF file called notations or algorithm. In this file you will find any algorithm I am using in the section or in the tutorials of the section. So for example, you will find in the beginner method of the 3x3x3, which is the first section, you will find an PDF file that contain all the algorithms that I will use in the course or in this section. So this is an important notice, that you don't have to remember all the algorithms that in the file. Don't look at the algorithm and for example it is RUF, so don't try to remember it this way, RUF until you remember it. No, just do it with your cube, and you will remember it by practicing, not by repeating it out of loud. The course is not long as it seems, believe me. I just make more tutorials and more examples just to make sure that you understand everything perfectly, because I will not only teach you how to solve the Rubik's Cube, but I will teach you how to solve it smart in a very fast way like the champions do. If you found anything hard, or you can understand a certain algorithm or a certain tutorial, do not hesitate to contact me. My contact details will be at the end of this tutorial. Email me or WhatsApp me, whatever you like, and I will reply as soon as I get your message. And if you for example want some more explanation, for example the 4x4, just ask and I will make some more clarification for solving the desired cubes that you asked for. Actually, I'm willing to make a course that help you solving your irregular Rubik's Cube. So if you have any irregular Rubik's Cube, just send me its photo or its name and I will put it into my next course.